today I'm doing a little versus unboxing. It's gonna be my Ipsy bag versus Birchbox. So I don't think I've done one of these before. I usually do Birchbox on its own, and then I usually do Ipsy versus Ipsy, but since I got the Glam Bag Plus, I haven't been doing that. I might have done it one specific month. I might have done an Ipsy versus the Glam Bag. But I wanted to do Ipsy versus Birchbox because they're both the same price. They're both $10 a month. You get 5 samples in both of them, and they both go by a profile. So I want to see what the difference is between the two. And I know Birchbox, I always have like a love-hate relationship with them because they were my first ever subscription box. So I feel like I have such an attachment to them that I could never cancel. And lately the samples have been getting better since I adjusted my profile a little bit. So I'm gonna go with that one first. And before I actually get into the November box, I wanted to show you what I got as an add-on. And the products that you can add are usually full size or little sample boxes, things like that. They do give you a really good amount and they'll ship them for free. So I have really been wanting to try this, and I had purchased this little Dr. Jart Cicapair kit here. This was, I believe this was like $18, and it comes with all of this stuff. It comes with a color corrector, it comes with the Tiger Grass Camo Drops, it comes with the Tiger Grass Repair Serum, it comes with 3 little packs of this Nightly Repair Mask, and my absolute favorite thing ever from Dr. Jart is this Tiger Grass Cream. This is the reason why I wanted this, because when I saw there was like serum and the drops, I wanted to try this. This Tiger Grass Cream has completely changed my skin. I usually would put it on at night. Any type of breakouts that I have with redness and irritation, I'll put a little dab of this cream on the breakout, and the next day it's almost gone. So let's get into the actual box for November. This is what it looks like. They made it very Thanksgiving-like colors. When you do open it up, it'll come with the pamphlet on the top with the theme. And then this one is basically for fall. It says, this fall, there's no better time to get connected with. And then it gives you some options like your job, yourself, your friends. It gives you some little tips here. And then on the other side, that what I absolutely love is that they do give you the list of products with the full size prices. I am really happy with this month's box. You can actually pick one of the products for your box. They give you a choice of 3. I picked this Luxme Creme de Nil Cream. I know this is a very pricey brand, and I had received a full size of this brand's balm, and it came in the Glam Bag Plus, but I ended up giving it away because it was just too heavy for my skin. So I know that I had received this once before, and I had given this little sample away, so I wanted to give it another chance because I was reading up on it, and I think that this would be really good for the winter time. So again, so this is what it looks like, and I know there's a little seal on it, so I'm gonna leave the seal, but the full size price of this is $58. So it says, powered by a rare ingredient only found in Uganda called, and I might not pronounce this right, but Nilotica Reserve. This luxurious face cream provides serious moisture to all skin types for a plump, radiant complexion. The next thing here, which I always love getting, and this is a brand I've never tried, it's from Jack Black. This is just a little lip balm. I love getting lip balms. It actually has SPF 25, and it's natural mint and shea butter. So I know that when I opened this up and I smelled it, it's just a typical minty lip balm. And I think that this is a really good size just to pop in your purse or your pocket, and you know, you can carry this around. Full size of this is $7.50. The natural oils and butters in this lip balm with a minty fresh flavor not only heal dry, cracked lips, but they also prevent your lips from getting chapped in the first place. So really good for the winter and for the cold weather. So I think this was a great addition to the box. This next one here is something I've actually never heard of, but it's a pretty good size. This is a hair product, and this is from TLW. It's called Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. The full size of this is $20. It says, smooth out frizz, hydrate, and protect your hair with this paraben-free, keratin-infused hair serum. Apply a few pumps to mid-lengths and ends and style as usual. So I have a lot of hair products, but I'm really excited to try this because it's something different. I don't have anything like this. I don't have any kind of hair serums. And the next thing is from Love Beauty and Planet, and this is actually a body wash. The full size of this is $9, and I know you can get this in a variety of stores. I think you can get it in Target and Walgreens. It says, make your shower feel like an oasis with this coconut water infused body wash that hydrates and refreshes skin while leaving it delicately scented with the aroma of mimosa flower. Now, I had received a shampoo and conditioner from this brand, and I think it actually came in a Target beauty box. It was the lavender one. Now, the shampoo and conditioner I wasn't crazy about. I did not like how it made my hair feel. It made my hair feel very weighed down and kind of greasy. So I'm hoping that the body wash, that I have a better experience with the body wash. It doesn't have a seal on it, but it smells really good. So just from the scent alone, I'm really excited to try in this, and it's a really good size. So we got, this brand is called Love of Color. This is the Liquid Shimmer Shadow, and the full size of this is $10. Bring on the shimmer with this long-lasting, crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic lilac shade. Swipe across your lids, then blend. Layer for more intensity. I really like these. They're not too over the top, but they're so pretty. So I'm gonna swatch this. Oh yeah, this is like, I actually would like this as a lip color, but this is beautiful. I really like these, how these go on the lids. It's a very quick and easy eyeshadow look. You can put this on as a topper as well. So like you can do your eyeshadow look and then kind of put it just on the middle of the lid, and I think it would look beautiful. You can see how shimmery that is and the shift of the color. It does have that lilac shade to it. I think it's gorgeous. I really do like this. They actually gave me a bonus. I changed my profile to where they ask you if you would like the occasional bonus where it wouldn't take a place of your sample, but it's just an extra foil packet or something along those lines. And I went ahead and changed my profile and put yes, because I wanted to see if they would actually send me something. And in this case, they did. They sent me this Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. It looks like it's something that you put in water. It's a strawberry lemon flavored beauty supplement, and it says you can use it 1 to 2 times per day in water, tea, lattes, and more. I wouldn't use strawberry lemon in a latte, but definitely in water. I'll give this a try and see what it tastes like, because sometimes these supplements here, these powders, have a very chalky taste. So I'm gonna try it and see how I like it. It says that the full size of this is $34, so I'm not sure if it comes in like a tub or if it comes with a bunch of these packets. I'm not really sure, but it says that it's $34. Add this supplement powder made with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and probiotics to your drink or dish of choice to boost the health of your hair, skin, and nails. So that's it for Birchbox, and honestly, not bad for November. Normally, I'm usually a little bit with the boxes, but I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, I got this bonus sample of this flavored drink stuff. I got a nice size body wash. I got an eyeshadow. I got a face cream. I got a hair product. And then I got a lip balm. So you got a really good variety of products. I'm really happy with it. So let's see what Ipsy looks like, and let's see how it compares. Normally, I'm really excited with Ipsy, and I usually love these bags every month. So let's see what we got. I was really excited because I was able to add a product. They give you this option now that you can add up to 3 samples for $3 each. So I was gonna add the max of 3, and then I told myself, okay, do you really need to spend an extra $9 on samples that you probably don't need? So I decided to go with just 1, and for me, I went with the most logical thing. I do my brows every single day. Usually I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow because it's the quickest for me. I use all Benefit products usually. So I wanted to try something different, and they had this Scone Brow Wand Pencil. So I added this. This is full size in my opinion, and it comes with the spoolie on one end, and then it comes with this kind of shape, which I really do like because it seems like it's a little precise with the way it is shaped. And the Precisely My Brow is actually just like a pencil. It's like thin. So I wanted to give this a try, and this is my shade. So I'm really excited to see how this works. I haven't tried it yet. This is what the bag looks like for the month. I mean, I really like it, but it doesn't really feel like fall to me. I feel like that they should have went with the theme, which, you know, for November, I thought maybe something orangey or brown or something that has to do with fall or the holidays. But it is a really pretty purpley blue with some black hearts on it. I just don't see how it goes with the theme, but it is a really nice quality. It's different from usual because it has a metal zipper, and then it does still say Ipsy on the hardware. So it feels like a really hefty bag. The inside of it is pink, so I do like that. When you pull out the card, you know, you never get a list of products. That's the one thing with Ipsy. They want you to go on the website or the app and actually look at the products there. They'll give you some tips and directions, and then you're actually able to review the products. I always review the products, and I highly suggest that you do that because they go by that, in my opinion, more than the profile. And then on top of it, you get points. So for each product you review, you get points, and then you could redeem the points. So I really like that you can do that with Ipsy. The theme of the month is Happy Friendsgiving, and then it gives you a little chat going on about, you know, two friends talking. Let me pull out the first thing. So this is from Tarte. This is an Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. I have so many blushes. This is the one thing I had put on my profile. I don't want any blushes. I just get way too many from Ipsy. I had rated this really low because I hope that they don't send me anymore. Now, I really love the Tarte blushes. This one is in the shade Quirky. These sizes actually last me forever. I just actually got rid of one that I've had for the longest time, but I really like the way they go on. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, if I'm gonna give it away or if I'm gonna keep it. I think it's a really pretty shade. It's not too crazy or over the top. It's a shade that I would normally wear, but because I have so many blushes, it might be something that I'll give away because I just don't know when I'll get to it, and I kind of like to use no more than 2 blushes at the same time. So the next thing is from the brand Perlice, and I do like this brand, but I actually received this before. I've just got this in my Birchbox last month. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. Now this is in the shade medium, but this is way too light for me. I had opened up the one that I had gotten last month, and I attempted to try it, and it is just, it's way too light. I can't use it at all. So I'm not even gonna open this. I know that there is a seal on it, so I'm not gonna even bother swatching it since I do know it's too light. This is gonna go in a little giveaway as well. I do like that it's a BB cream because I'm really into those. I like light to medium coverage. I don't usually wear a full foundation at all, and because it's Perlice, I like it a lot. So if this had matched my skin tone, I would have worn this, and then I went ahead and changed my skin tone from medium to tan just because I feel like a lot of these medium shades are going to be too light for me. So this one I'm actually really excited about. This is from Youth to the People. This is the Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. That's a long title. I actually tried a packet of this. I had gotten a sample of it from Sephora. It was just a little one-use packet, and I loved it. I think it is so nice on the skin. It's pretty light, but also moisturizing at the same time. So this is something that I could actually use either during the day or at night, since I do have oily skin. The winter time and the cold weather, it does get a little bit lessened, but I still do have oily skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's a good size to try out since you don't need a lot of it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It is such a nice whipped consistency, like it says. It's an air whipped consistency that it's almost gel-like. So example, if I put this on my skin here, like you can't even see it when I apply it, but when you rub it in, it goes on almost, it's so thin that it's almost like a serum. So this is perfect for oily skin, combo skin. I feel like if you have dry skin, I think it would work for you, but you might need something else on top of it because it really does feel light. So this next thing, I always like getting this brand because it's so expensive. It's the Oribe, the Dry Texturizing Spray. I actually have this right now. I'm using this. I got this in a different box. I don't even remember where, but I got this exact size. I've actually gotten this a few times. So I've tried this more than once and I really do like it. I like texture sprays. They're not quite a dry shampoo, but they actually give you that dry shampoo look because what it does is it gives you a little bit of volume on your hair. And then if you do have that like 2 or 3 day old hair, it kind of refreshes it in a way that a dry shampoo does, but it's not over the top and it doesn't give you that powdery cast like some dry shampoos do. It gives you such nice volume. It has a really nice scent. So I really do like this. I'm not upset about it, even though I have like 3 of them. And then the last but not least is this little tiny thing here. I wish it was a little bigger. So it reminds me of getting a sample from Sephora Play because Sephora Play usually gives you tiny samples. But this is from Ciate London. And I was really excited to get this because I'm really into setting powders lately. And this is the translucent powder. I love the packaging because it has like this little bow. I'm gonna definitely try it. I really like powders, so I'm really excited about it. But that's it for the Ipsy bag. So again, we got this little tiny little powder. I got this BB cream that I'm not gonna be able to use. I got the Tarte blush, which I like, but again, I have just so many. And then we got this dry texture spray from Oribe, and then the Youth to the People moisturizer. So I really liked the bag. It wasn't absolutely amazing in my opinion. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. I'm gonna have to say that Birchbox really killed it this month only because they gave a great variety of products. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about November's boxes, and if you did receive Ipsy or Birchbox, let me know what you got. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.